steps in the door. Shop lights flicker like they've done 1,000 times before. Frost climbs steady up the windows in the night. The old folk glows soft in that familiar Christmas light. Tools on the bench and a chill in the shop. Got a list of parts I've wanted in a drawer that time forgot. And while the whole world's sleeping under winter's white appeal, this little garage is where the season feels real. Snow tiles and steel on a cold December night. Old Ford warming up in the glow of Christmas lights. A little rust, a little hope, and a whole lot of feel. Yeah, Christmas to me is snow tiles and steel. It's snow tiles and steel. Space heater humming, but it barely blows warm. Still I'm out here wrenching through another winter storm. These long nights settle in when the daylight starts to fade, but my Ford brightens up the dark this winter's made. Neighbors shake their heads at me out working alone, but this place turns the holidays into something of my own. Every bolt I crack loose, every part that I reveal feels a bit more like Christmas wrapped in chrome and steel. Snow ties and steel on a cold December night. Old Ford warming up in the glow of Christmas lights. A little rust, a little hope, and a whole lot of feel. Yeah, Christmas to me is snow ties and steel. Some folks want the snowflakes, some folks need the tree, but give me old steel shining in a shop that sets me free. And when that motor fires up with a sound you feel for real, that's a winter hymn of snow ties and steel. Snow tiles and steel on a cold December night. Bullnose rumbling soft in the glow of Christmas lights. Where the cold meets the cold, that's what seals the deal. Yeah, I find my Christmas in snow